Again, we're going to be talking about this function over here. So this, of course, as we explained before, is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus x when absolute value x is smaller than absolute value x is smaller than 1. So first of all, what else can we do with this? Now, when x is smaller than 1, we have this over here. But what if x was greater than 1? What are we going to do with that? Well, if x is greater than 1, this means that 1 divided by x is smaller than 0 and greater than is greater than 0 and smaller than 1. Or minus 1 divided by x is smaller than 1 and greater than is greater than minus 1 and smaller than 0. So let's just put that in. Now we have this function over here, 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x squared plus 1 divided by x to the third power. So this is obviously just another geometric sequence, leaving us over here. And then since this is smaller than 1, then it applies for the infinite geometric sequence. So this over here will be equal to this. What if we have this over here though? So we have 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by x squared plus 1 divided by x to the third, and you get the point. Now this over here is going to be equal to 1 divided by x divided by 1 plus 1 divided by x, which is going to be equal to this over here, 1 divided by x plus 1. And we're going to be needing this in our next problem. We have this function over here, and we had to solve the value of this over here. So let's just use what we just learned and break this up into separate parts. So first of all, 1 divided by 1 plus 5 to the first power is going to be equal to 1 divided by 5 to the first power minus 1 divided by 5 to the second power, and so on. You get the point. Now, this over here is going to be equal to this over here. This is going to be equal to this. And this is going to be equal to this. Now, you'll notice something. Since we just used this over here, we have a lot of minuses and pluses. So we can cancel a lot of the stuff. So in this row, what can we cancel? Well, obviously, since there's minus here and there's a plus here, that means this is just going to be equal to 1 divided by 5 squared. Since we can't really do anything with this, we can go to the next column, leaving us with 1 divided by 5 to the fourth power. I think you can tell where this is going. So after we add this all together, we're going to be left with this being equal to, scroll down a little bit, 1 divided by 5 to the first power plus 1 divided by 5 to the second power, and so on. Since this is just a geometric sequence, we can just use the formula. Oops, sorry. Or that, please. And we're going to have this to be equal to 1 divided by 4. And there you go. That's our answer.